Hello guys and welcome back. In this video, let us talk about the blackbody node, and with it, the term color temperature. This term refers to the colors emitted from black bodies. So apparently, when a black body experiences heat, it absorbs it and emits light depend on wavelengths. Now into Blender, and with those default objects, I will change this to the shading tab to see the node editor. We are already on Eevee, so turn the bloom on just to see the lights more clearly, and let's change the BSDF to an emission node. Increase the light power in the emission, so, normally, we would experiment with the color and make it suitable for the scene we're working on, and it work fine like this, but the process is quite inaccurate, so if we would use a blackbody node here, which you can find under converters in the add window, with this, we can use accurate numbers for light temperature to mimic a real-life sun or even a candle. Now once you connect it to the emission node, you notice the color become yellow. That's because the default temperature is 1500. In this image you can see the numbers in Kelvin and the color related to it. So with those accurate values, you can make it like a studio light, a daylight, or a sky blue color. It's much easier this way to assign the accurate light to your scene. To use this same method on the default lamp, we can't do that in Eevee, but, if we switch to cycles, you can see here something called use nodes. Let me just add a plane so the light cast on it, and hide this emission cube. Once we check the use node box, it gives us a node tree with emission light. It's the same process now. We can add the black node and adjust the light with the accurate heat temperature.